The trade I want to show us right now is a live trade, and I want to show us why I entered the trade, the things I saw I entered the trade, how I entered the trade, and also we are going to see how the outcome of what's the outcome of the trade. Yes, how the trade went and all that. Did it go against us or did it go in our favor? We are going to see how everything goes. This is your Michael Mike. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Yeah, if you are able to stay very close to this trade I want to show us right now, we understand. It's not here, so just calm down. So you understand how everything goes, and you will really see the things we look out for before we take our trades. Yes, you will see the things we look out for. So just stay tuned, stay with me. Do you understand? Stay with me. Just just like my spiritual father, so when he's teaching he says stay with me, so you guys should stay with me. Do you understand? Yeah. Now let us use this 5 minutes as an example of what I've been talking about. You can see this is sell limit, this is sell limit, this is sell limit, and I supposed to enter another sell limit up there. The reason why I entered this sell limit is because of, you check here, what is this? Double what? Liquidity zone. Yeah, these are liquidity line, liquidities lying down in this position. And if you check here, you can see liquidity everywhere. Yeah, I'm using smaller time frame as an example. Yes, so you can see liquidity everywhere. Yeah, so the reason why I entered this trade is because I've already started the liquidity zones. So I'm expecting price to come and clear this liquidity zone, trigger this, probably come to clear this liquidity zone with a kind of, what is called, with a spike, then it should now sell. So on this smaller time frame, I can just enter around here and take my profit here or downward. Yeah, because you can still see area of liquidity here. Yes, you can see liquidity lying in this area. So let's see what price is going to deliver for us on this small analysis. Yeah, it looks as if price is already leaving me though. Yeah, I try to add more positions, but it's like price is already leaving me, but I don't care. And the reason why I'm selling is because if you look at this place, this candle here came all the way to clear this liquidity. All these things to happen when reversal wants to take place. Look at the first liquidity at the top. Price came like this, cleared the ones at the top, but before it went to clear the ones at the top, it still gathered some liquidities here. You can see, so it went clear liquidities here, then form a new high. Then the new high was broken with this long candle to clear this liquidity here. And I told us when a new level is being broken, price will go up to retest before it comes all the way down again. So if it comes all the way down, it's either it break this another stage of liquidity, or come here to still break more. Yeah, so most of the time, that's, you can see what happened here. You can see price came, cleared this liquidity level. So the low that cleared that level, price came and tested it. Yeah, so when it came to test it, it still went again to give us another higher high to clear this liquidity level, then came all the way to clear this low. Can you see it? And that is just, see, you may not really understand the depth of what I'm showing you if you don't subscribe to my mentorship program. But all the same, if you try to take your time to analyze and to watch this, you are going to understand everything. That one is sure. You are going to understand everything. Yeah, so in case you are just joining us, do well to subscribe if you are getting blessed, and do well to turn on the notification. Yes, do well to turn on the notification. All right, so from the previous video you just watched, or as yes, from the previous video you just watched, see, you can see the liquidity zones. Yeah, the liquidity zone. Please don't mind the way I sound, please. I don't know, I don't know, sha. See, this is under liquidity zone that you expect price to come and clear. because it's cleared there. See, I told you I told you when I was setting the pending order, even though I rearranged, no, what happened was, if you rewind and watch the previous video, the account I said the order was not the account I supposed to use. So the time is supposed to trigger my first order, it just disappeared. It did not trigger, so I had to open my original account to enter this trade. So you can see, if you watch that video, I set one order here because I saw this double top, and price came to trigger that order, even though it disappeared now. I set another order here, it did not clear to this because I was expecting it to come and clear this liquidity, but it only cleared the first one here, which made it to trigger our order here, and also came all the way because I knew it's going to come here. So I set one here, then set one up there. So it came all the way with this liquidity pool candle to clear the liquidity, and after clearing the liquidity, look how the price has been moving aggressively. I told us that because the analysis is on 5 minutes time frame, so I told us our first TP is going to be here, which means it has already hit our first TP, and probably our second TP is going to be when it comes to clear this this liquidity zone here. Yeah, this liquidity zone here. And if you go to 1 hour, everything is going to be more clear to us. Yes. So this is our 1 hour. This is our 1 hour time frame. As we can see on our 1 hour time frame, what happened there? Price cleared this liquidity here to give us that top that we're looking at. Then when it gave us that top, price came all the way down to clear some liquidity levels here, and also it set another liquidity level to be put here. So that's why I said it's either price bounce back from here, because we use 5 minutes for the clearer analysis, or price come to clear this liquidity. As we can see, this is live trade and price is about to clear the liquidity the liquidity here, as you can see. So if you are able to stay close to all these trades, we understand the concept of liquidity. This is what I analyzed, and we can see how price is doing it like the exact way I analyzed it. This is not a film trade, this is a live trade. You can see the price is rolling. So this is not a film trick, this is not maybe one juju, and you can see that the liquidity has been cleared already. So before you know it, maybe around this place, the price, you just want to bounce back a little around this place or something. But it has already done what we expected it to do here, which is clearing of liquidity, and it is liquidities have been successfully cleared. So all these things they are not film trick. And my previous video, you will remember I said there is probability price will come to clear this level. Yes, but if it's not clearing this level, that means it's doing something around here, because this is a low that was taken out. So when the low is taken out, I told us it's going to come back, and that's why we entered this trade. I told us it's going to come back to retest that level, or the high that produced that level, and before it continue going in its original direction, or if it want to change if it want to change structure, then it's going to range a little before it changes its structure, for it to gather liquidity or gather order, and that is the exact thing that happened here. So when we are talking about all these things, not because maybe it's a film trick or something. No. So it's not because it's a film trick or it's one thing or the other. This is what we have mastered. We've mastered the art of the market, and that is why that's why we remain profitable. Now let us check how many pips we've gathered. This is not, obviously this is a scalping trade. Yeah, this is scalping, but with scalping, let's see how many pips we've gathered. This is 64 pips. Yes. So this is just a scalp. It's been long I scalp trade like this, and with scalping strategy we can see that it's 60 something pips. That is not common. You see, right before our own eyes, price delivered what we expected it to deliver. Yes, price delivered what we expected it to deliver. Yes, this is live trade, and we can see how everything went. If you want to know how to trade like this, just follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my analysis, and you will have more understanding about the movement of the market, and you'll be able to to predict accurately how price movement is going to be, the reaction of price and everything. Yes, the reaction of price just delivered everything we mark out here. It delivered. This is 100% result. 100%. What else do you want in trading? This is 100% result, and we thank God for this success. So if you want to know more about all these things, stay subscribed to my channel. And if you want to know in depth, yes, if you want to know in depth how we analyze the market based on candle, each candle has what it means, the movement of the price. This is the price here, the movement of it to print a candle. There is a way they interact. Yes, there is a way they interact. If you want to know what each candle represents when it is printed by price, just come and subscribe to my mentorship program, and you will have more understanding about trading. You will have more understanding about trading. And another thing is, you need a very good broker. You need a good broker in order to trade successfully like this. So I'll be recommending you make use of my broker in order for you to have a good trade and with a good spread. Yes, a good trade and a good spread. A regulated broker is needed. Yes, so with good customer service. So I'm recommending my broker, and you can check the link on my YouTube channel. Yes, pick any of the brokers that are there. Those are the recommended brokers I have for you. All right, guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya, guys. Yeah.